Today I'm going to talk about the different types of rainfall that we experience here in Zimbabwe. We have number one, convectional rainfall. The second one is cyclonic or frontal rainfall. Then the third type of rainfall is relief or orographic rainfall. Now I'm going to look at each and every type of rainfall and how it is formed and the weather conditions that are associated with each. The first one is convectional rainfall. And I'm going to use a diagram to explain how this type of rainfall is formed. We have the ground level here. Then when the ground is heated, it also hits air which is closer to the ground. And when the air is warm, it becomes less dense, thereby it is forced to rise. So this is warm, moist air which rises, expands, and cools. So we are saying when it reaches the condensation level, it then forms clouds. So these are the clouds. And that's when rainfall comes. So this is the rain now falling down to the ground. So this type of rainfall is associated with lightning and thunder. The second type is the relief rainfall. I'll also include a diagram to explain how this type of rainfall is formed. This type of rainfall is formed when there is a barrier. For example, a mountain. That's the relief feature that we have. And we also have a water body. So when water in the sea is heated, it evaporates and it is forced to rise due to the barrier, which is the mountain. And when warm moist air rises, it expands and cools, and it also reaches the condensation level and clouds are formed. And then that's when rainfall comes. The side which receives rainfall is called the windward side. And the side which does not receive rainfall, this side is called the leeward side. And it only receives dry, cold air. So this is the type of rainfall which is usually received in the mountainous areas in Manicaland. Then the third type is now frontal rainfall. This type of rainfall is formed when two air masses meet. And the line which separates the two types of air is called the front. So this is called air which is forced to the ground because it is dense. And then warm, moist air is forced to rise because it is less dense. And when it rises, it expands and cools. Then it reaches condensation level where the clouds are formed. And then rainfall comes. So basically these are the three types of rainfall that we receive here in Zimbabwe.